Alright, so this part we're going to do is going to be the train stack. Now what the train stack we're going to do is we're going to make a breakout. Now a breakout will be kind of where I can cut away a section of my part so I can see the inside area and leave the other section just the way it is. Alright, so to do a breakout, you need to start off by going up to where it says sketch. When you start sketch, you want to actually select the front view, the view that you want to have the breakout in. Make sure it has the box around it. So you can see it has a green box highlighted around it. And I'm going to go up and I'm going to say start sketch. Now you know you had a sketch on your object if you have these big crosshairs in it. If you do not have those crosshairs in it, you did not create a sketch on this particular part. So what I want to do here is I'm going to make kind of a closed shape, and you can do any kind of shape you want to. If you want to do a circle, you can do a circle. If you can do a rectangle, you can do a rectangle. If you want to make a line and enclose it, that's fine too. What I actually like to do is use spline. Okay, spline will make a cool little shape here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to click back and forth. And I'm just making an enclosed shape. You need to make sure that it totally is closed up and it looks all good. Now this shape we actually do not have to dimension. We can leave it green. This one's fine. I can say finish sketch here. Now with this, I'm going to go over to place view. I'm going to go up to where it says breakout, and I can select my front view. If it's giving me a warning saying that you don't have an enclosed shape, or there's no shape on there, you might have an open gap or something like that on this sketch, in which case you have to just go into that sketch and fix it up. To go into that sketch, you go on the left hand side browser and you just double click sketch 1 to fix it. If you want to delete that sketch and start over new, that's fine too. So breakout, I select my sketch, and it already has my profile selected. You can see it's highlighted in blue on what it wants me to cut out. And it says front point. How far in do I want to cut it? I want to cut it up to this line right there. And then I can say OK. So you can see there it actually cuts up to this line. You can see the inside portion of my part. You can see the outside portion of my part. And it looks really cool. The last little bit that I want to do with this is I want to add a projected view onto this front view. Alright, that'll give me an idea on what it looks like on the inside there. You can always want to shade our isometric view. So that's what our object looks like on the inside, and it looks all good.